see, Chris Perillo says, why did you switch from stock to Revo nozzles on your Prusa Minis? Well, it was because I wanted a all metal heat break without the PTFE tubes. That's basically the biggest reason. I switched one first and had no issues with it whatsoever. And then subsequently switched over my other Mini, my Mark III, and the Cobra Max. I actually changed the extruder and hot end on it completely. Basically, it was just to prevent leaking around the PTFE tube or seepage whenever you don't get it set or compressed correctly. I never had the issue. I always had it in there, but just the fact that I could eliminate that possibility